Dreams are like seeds. They start small, often unnoticed, but they carry within them the essence of what they can become. Tiny, full of potential, waiting to be planted. Just like seeds need the right conditions to grow, our dreams need the right environment to flourish. They hold the whispers of your desires, the blueprints of your destiny. Every seed has a story, a purpose, a journey it must undertake. Each dream, a unique seed, carries within it the power to blossom into something extraordinary. With time, care, and patience, it can transform into a magnificent reality. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the weight of a seed in the palm of your hand. It's small, almost insignificant, yet it holds the promise of life, growth, and endless possibilities. Imagine its possibilities. That's the power of a dream. It starts as a mere thought, a fleeting idea, but with belief and effort, it can grow into something beyond your wildest imagination. We all have dreams. They are the language of our soul, whispering our deepest desires. They connect us to our innermost selves, revealing our true passions and aspirations. Listen to them, nurture them, believe in them. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, we must tend to our dreams, giving them the attention and care they need to grow. Write them down, sketch them out, brainstorm ways to bring them to life. Every action you take is a step towards making your dreams a reality. Share your dreams with others. Collaborate and seek support. Sometimes the encouragement and insights from others can provide the nourishment your dreams need to thrive. Every new day is an opportunity to plant a new seed, to take another step towards your dreams. Embrace the journey, for it is in the journey that we find growth and fulfillment. And when your dreams finally blossom, you'll realize that the journey was just as beautiful as the destination. The seeds of possibility are within you. Plant them, nurture them, and watch them grow. Planting a dream is a sacred act. It's an act of faith in yourself, in the universe, in the power of possibility. Like a gardener prepares the soil, you prepare your heart. Find a quiet space, a place where you feel safe and inspired. This is your garden of dreams. Write down your dream. Describe it in vivid detail. Feel the emotions as if it were already real. This is your seed. Love is the sunshine that nourishes your dreams. It's the warmth that encourages them to grow, the energy that fuels their journey towards reality. Speak to your dreams with kindness. Encourage them. Believe in their potential, even when doubt creeps in. Visualize your dreams as often as you can. See them, feel them, experience them in your mind's eye. This is you, showering them with love. Faith is the gentle rain that sustains your dreams. It's the unwavering belief that what you desire is possible, even when you can't yet see the fruits of your labor. There will be challenges, moments of doubt, times when you question everything. It's okay to feel these things, but never stop believing. Never stop watering your dreams with faith. The universe is conspiring with you to make them a reality. Section 5. Taking root. Feeling the dream grow. As you nurture your dreams with love and faith, you'll begin to feel a shift within, a sense of excitement, a surge of energy. This is your dream taking root. You may notice synchronicities, unexpected opportunities, people and resources appearing as if by magic. This is the universe working its magic. Embrace these signs. They are confirmation that you are on the right path, that your dream is taking hold. Just like a seed planted in fertile soil, your dreams need time, care, and patience to grow. At first, you may not see much happening on the surface, but beneath the soil, roots are spreading, establishing a foundation. This is a crucial phase. It's easy to get discouraged when progress seems slow, but remember, great things often start small. Every step you take, every effort you make, is contributing to the growth of your dream. During this period, it's important to stay focused and committed. Keep watering your dream with positive thoughts and actions. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your vision. Engage in activities that inspire and motivate you. The more energy and passion you pour into your dream, the stronger it will become. Document your journey. Write down your goals, your progress, and your reflections. This not only helps you stay organized, but also serves as a reminder of how far you've come. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone, no matter how minor it may seem, is a step closer to realizing your dream. Remember, the universe is always listening. When you align your actions with your intentions, you create a powerful force that attracts what you need. Stay open to new possibilities and be willing to adapt. Sometimes the path to your dream may take unexpected turns, but trust that each twist and turn is guiding you towards your ultimate goal. Take time to connect with your inner self. Meditation, reflection, and mindfulness can help you stay grounded and focused. Listen to your intuition. It often knows the way even when your mind does not. By staying true to yourself and your vision, you will continue to feel your dream grow stronger each day. In the end, your dream, like a tree, will stand tall and strong, a testament to your dedication and perseverance. So keep nurturing it, keep believing in it, and watch as it blossoms into reality. Section 6. Sprouting into reality, the first signs of life. In the vast tapestry of existence, the emergence of life is a profound and awe-inspiring event. It all begins with a tiny seed, buried beneath the soil, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Just as a seed sprouts, breaking through the soil, so too will your dreams begin to manifest in your life. The journey from a dormant idea to a flourishing reality is a testament to the power of patience and perseverance. The seedling's struggle to push through the earth mirrors our own efforts to overcome obstacles and reach for the light. The first signs may be subtle, a new idea, a chance encounter. These initial sparks are often quiet and unassuming, yet they hold the potential to ignite a transformative journey. It's in these moments of inspiration and connection that the foundation of our dreams is laid. A surge of courage to take a step outside your comfort zone. This courage is the driving force that propels us forward, urging us to explore uncharted territories and embrace new challenges. Each step, no matter how tentative, is a victory in itself, a testament to our resilience and determination. These are all signs of growth. Celebrate these milestones. Acknowledge your progress. Every small achievement is a building block, contributing to the larger structure of your dreams. Just as a plant grows taller and stronger with each passing day, so too do we evolve and flourish with every step we take. Every step forward, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to your dream. The path may be winding and the journey long, but each forward movement is a testament to your commitment and vision. Embrace the journey, cherish the growth, and keep moving towards the sunrise of your aspirations. Section 7. Your thoughts, your reality. Shaping your dreams. Your thoughts are powerful. They are the architects of your reality. What you focus on, you create. What you believe, you become. Choose thoughts that empower you. Thoughts that are aligned with your dreams. Thoughts that inspire you to take action. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good in your life. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you attract what you desire. Section 8. Believe in the power of your dreams. Never underestimate the power of your dreams. They have the ability to transform your life and the world around you. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Believe in the infinite possibilities that exist within you and all around you. The world needs your light. It needs your gifts. It needs the unique magic that only you can bring. Section 9. Embrace the journey, embrace your dreams. The journey of nurturing your dreams is a beautiful one. It's a journey of self-discovery, of growth, of stepping into your full potential. Embrace the ups and downs. Embrace the challenges and the triumphs. Embrace Embrace the journey itself, for it is shaping you into the person you are meant to be. Dream big, believe deeply, and never ever give up on the magic that lives within you.